candidates for Miss IMAC 2024. Miss Amethyst Castro of Region 3.
Okay, Miss Amethyst Castro from Region 3.
Congratulations.
Yes.
Yes.
For our Miss IMAC 2020.
Let me call in to award the sash is Miss the regional president, please, of Region 3 to give the bouquet. Let me call in Miss Garay. And for the plaque is Miss Marilyn Pareño.
Okay.
Miss Garay? Calling Miss Garay. Kung narito ka, please come on the stage. Ayan ka.
Yan, si Ma'am.
Saan ka kasi galing?
Congratulations to Miss
Miss
Amethyst
Castro of Region 3.
Fifth IMAC, fifth place for Miss IMAC 2024.
Let me call in Miss Filipa Imperial to give the bouquet and to give the plaque.
The floor is...
Miss Catherine Del Prado of Region 7.
Okay, congratulations on Catherine Del Prado. Our fourth place
Fourth
for Miss
runner-up.
IMAC 2024.
Very beautiful naman. Act of appreciation and to present our bouquet is Rizel Rosales.
Okay, this time for our third runner-up for Miss IMAC 2024 is...
Miss Imelda Bogotano of Region 11.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations, Ma'am Imelda from Region 11.
Our third runner-up is Miss Janet Tolosa of NCR.
Okay, our third runner-up is Ma'am Janet
Tolosa.
Tolosa.
Congratulations, National Capital Region.
Our third runner-up is Janet Tolosa. Okay, Tolosa.
Kaya pala tinawag si Ma'am Sel.
And our second runner-up for Miss IMAC 2024 is...
Miss Imelda Bogotano of Region 11.
Yay!
Ito wala ito. Partner.
Ano maganda din?
Meron kami, sige.
Last year wala.
Last year lang.
Ay, wala.
Congratulations to Region 11, Miss Imelda Bogotano.
Our second runner-up.
Yes, the second. Very important po ang first runner-up because in the event that the reigning queen is not able to fulfill her duties and responsibilities, the first runner-up will take over. Miss Vilma Wusny of Region 4, Palawan.
Congratulations, Ma'am.
Congratulations naman.
Kapit naman ka, sabi ko parang panalo na panalo nga. May kapa na eh.
Okay, from Palawan.
Ang daming pera ng taga-Palawan.
Oh, si Ma'am Vilma Musni. Congratulations, Ma'am. Ang ganda naman ni Ma'am.
Go
For
na.
our awards.
Naman maka-MU ng ating vibe today.
Yan. So, congratulations. Ayan na po. Na-award na po ang ating mga sash cake, flowers. Kasama ang ating Miss Lima 2023.
Yes.
Ma'am Pat Gomez, Ma'am Elda, ay si Ma'am Ma'am Benita